Today, I am unboxing one of the most iconic Hot Wheels premium set. The Fast and Furious Brian O'Connor collection. Brian O'Connor was not just a character, he was the heart of Fast and the Furious. And this set is tribute to his legendary journey. First of all, just look at the premium packaging. Every background inside the box represents a different scene and gives the set a premium display look. Metal body, Rail Riders rubber tires. Let's start with the red waist. The 1999 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, one of Brian's most memorable truck. The glossy red paint, detailed headlight, realistic wheel, and clean body line. Now comes the king, the legendary Nissan Skyline GTR R34. For many Fast and Furious fans, this is the greatest movie car ever. The metallic blue finish, perfect body proportions. Next is the classic beauty, the 1971 Nissan Skyline ST2000 GTR. Old school design, black paint, timeless Japanese styling. This car proves that classic never go out of. Moving on the rally legend, the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600. And finally, the clean white Toyota Supra, one of the most loved car in the Fast and Furious franchise. A perfect way to finish this collection. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which Brian O'Connor car is your favorite, R34, Supra or F-150. Until next time, keep collecting, keep dreaming.